Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to share Strava activity on Instagram. So first thing that you will do is open up the Strava application. And now in order for you to share your activity, just simply go to the U on the bottom right corner of the screen. So guys, from here, you should be able to see all of your activities and make sure you are on the activities tab as you can see on the top right. And from here, you should be able to see the share icon over here and just simply tap on the share. And after that, you should be able to see here share to at the bottom over here. So tap on share to. And from here, guys, as you can see, you will have this template over here. You should be able to see your performance and just simply tap on share to again. And after that, guys, you should be able to see the Instagram logo. You can share it via feed, via story, or via reels. So in my case, let's say I'm going to share it into my story. Tap on story. And after that, it will redirect you to the Instagram. And as you can see, we should be able to share it. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.